In this video, I will be disassembling this 2015 Nissan Juke Halogen headlight. Here's the part number on the light. If you're going to disassemble one of these lights by baking it and removing the lens, there are 5 Phillips screws holding the lens to the body. I will begin disassembly by cutting off the rest of the lens. I've cut the lens from the light. I will begin by disconnecting this upper outside corner mount. There are a couple of clips inside holding the connector in place. Next, I'll go to the rear of the light and turn the 5/16 headlight adjuster all the way to the left. With the 2 mounts on the left released, we can grab the whole assembly and pull it inward to release it off of the last mount. The whole assembly will come out as one piece. The headlight housing is now empty. There are 3 Phillips head screws holding the front shroud to the assembly. The projector is held in place with 4 Phillips head screws. The headlight is now fully disassembled. Here is the projector. The projector is held together with 4 Phillips head screws. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.